Ngisizocela ke ukuthi azethule ukuthi ungubani. Ukuzethula kwakho baba uzongena kule ndawo nale ongena khona uthi Nhleko usiba Mgiliji umsebenzi awenzayo Umudidiyeli Wamabutho ebukhosini baKwaZulu. Sizocela nje baba ukuthi azethule yena kuqala.
Awethula ngani wena?
Sizocela ukuthi baba azethule kuqala ebese siqhubeka neminye imibuzo ukuthi
Umgiliji.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Condolences messages are pouring in for the Zulu Nation and Nhleko's family after the passing of the former leader of the Zulu Nation regiment, Ubaba Mgiliji Nhleko. It was earlier reported that he was sick. Ubaba Mgiliji guys passed away today afternoon. Nabakamjoga nakandaba lo nyaka impela cha awuqalanga kahle njengoba kwakhotha isilo samabandla onke isilo uGoodwill Zwelithini Zulu kwaphinde kwakhothama ibambela bukhosi umntwana enkosi indlunkulu yesilo uMadlamini Zulu. Manje ke sekuhamba Umudidiyeli Wamabutho ubaba Mgiliji. May the Lord comfort his family and friends. Akwehlanga olungehliyo. He will indeed be remembered for his jokes. May his soul rest in peace. That all I have for today. Please leave your comment below udlulise amazwi enduduzo emndenini wakhe. Bye.
Ah,